Hey guys, what's up? Today I just want to thank all of you because with your help and support I just crossed my first 1000 minute watch time. It's a very big milestone for me and without your help it's not possible for me. So thank you guys, thanks for your support and love. Please keep support me for the future. And now today's topic. Today we are just gonna discuss a very important matter for every human's life. Yes guys, whenever some matter related with the money, it's automatically becomes important matter for every human's life. So today our topic is how can we earn money from home as a part-time. So what is the time, what is the workload, what is the side name, and what is the payment method, I all tell you in details. Stay with my video till the end. I am your friend Shubhro. You are watching Tech Idea. Without wasting any time, let's start. Firstly, I want to tell you guys that this is a data entry job. After hearing name of the work, every people maybe think that this is a fake site, but I am assuring you that this is 100% genuine site, and I will also give you the proof of my earnings. This job for all people who worked in the office, they are also able to do this job, and anyone like housewife and student who have spare time, they also try for this job. So firstly you have to type in Google at www.bestdataentryjob.com. Here you can see the ID, okay, and you can also find this ID. I will give you the link in my description. So this is the site name, the bestdataentryjob.com. After that you have to register yourselves with your valid mobile number and email ID. Just click the register here and you have to put your mobile number, new password, your name, your email ID, city, referral code. If you have any referral code, then place that referral code in here and just click the register button. I am already a member of this site, so that's why I am already registered my name. So I'm not registered again my name. I'm just click the login button. So after clicking the login button, it leads you to the dashboard. So I'm just clicking the login button and you can see my dashboard, and you can also see the what I can earn. I just already earned 1199 rupees. It's a proof that it's a 100% genuine site. So guys, just click the start work button and it leads you to that here. It's a new dashboard you can see, and you can also see that I have already done 3550 entry, and in among those entry 3024 are right and 492 is wrong, and pending review is 34, and they just done the review work 3516. So it's a complete report card of your work. Okay, so guys, you can see the three works are here: snippet entry, data entry, and form entry. If I click the snippet entry, you can see the same window in your computer. Okay, so there was a snippet entry you can see, and you have to write in here the snippet entry. Okay, and what you are just saw in there, you have to write in there exactly. There is no need to modify anything anywhere in this all site. This is the main rule, and please read all instructions before starting the work. If you see the minus sign is here, you have to type the minus sign in here also. If you use slash or anything else, it will taken as a wrong entry, so don't do that. So this is the snippet entry, and for this whole snippet entry you can get 50 paisa. This is a very small types of data entry work, and for these small types of data entry you can get 50 paisa for per snippet entry job. Now let's take a look of data entry. If I click the data entry button, you can see the data entry are just shown to you. So in here also the rules is applicable. What you just have been seen, you have to write the exactly same the thing. The words are very clear, but if you can't recognize anything, just touch the word with your cursor and the words are zooming in the right side of your screen. So it's a very good system, and for this data job entry you can get 1 rupees for per entry. It's a very handsome amount to get that 1 rupees for per data entry job. Now let's take a look of from entry. If I click the from entry, then you can see the from is here, and you can also see the image is here. It's a very big from. For that you will just get paid 2 rupees for one form fill up. It's a huge amount. For just simple form fill up you can get 2 rupees for per form. It's a very big amount in data entry sector also. So guys, you can see the 3 types of work are available in these sites: snippet entry, data entry, and form fill up entry. And I am described all the works from these sites. Okay, and you can also see the proof of my income. You can now you can see that it's increasing little bit. Now it's 1200, so it's increasing per minute or per second. Okay, so it's very good site, and it's a 100% genuine site. There is no need to afraid of this site. It's a 100% genuine site, and I am giving you the proof, live proof this is. So stop thinking and start working in this site. As you can see guys, this is a very easy job for all people. For this job you don't need to have a big experience in computer, just basic knowledge of computer and internet connection. That's all you need to have in this job. This job for all people. If some housewife want to do this job, they can easily earn a handsome amount from home as a part-time. If some student want to do this job for their pocket money, they can easily earn is amount for their pocket money at any time by doing this job. And if some work person are want to make some extra money, they can also work anywhere, anytime. There is no time limit, there is no workload. And one more thing I just want to tell you guys, that for activating the software in this site you have to pay a little charges. That charges not more than 200 to 300. It's a very small charges for everyone. So this is a very good site for data entry job, and I am explaining all the thing to you. So this is it guys. So guys, if you like my video then please give me like. If you dislike my video then please give me your valuable comment in my comment box. And if you still not subscribe my channel, please click that button to subscribe my channel, and please keep supporting me for future. Thank you guys. See you soon guys. Till then, tata.